Erika Nolan, the founder and farmer of Instar Farms, and our mission is to reconnect the community with growing their own food. Which brings us here. We are atop the New Orleans Convention Center, where we have transformed an unused concrete space into a lush, biodiverse ecosystem, growing fresh, organic food. And we're going to show you exactly how we did it. The first step was design. For our 220-foot-long raised beds, we used 100% red cedar, which is naturally rot and pest resistant. Once the beds were built, we lined the bottom with hardware cloth and sphagnum moss to ensure proper drainage. The next step is soil. It is crucial when growing food to use rich and nutritious soil, which is why we sourced ours locally from Laughing Buddha Nursery.
My name is Grant Estrad. I'm the owner of Laughing Buddha Nursery and Local Cooling Farms. And our compost is really cool because we work with local New Orleans companies to get all their spent brewery grain. We mix that in with the pine bark and we put a bunch of organic goodies in there, and that's our raised bed mix.
That's awesome.
It's where the vegetables that we eat get a lot of their nutrients from. So we can very much say that the healthier the soil is, the healthier the food is that we're going to eat, therefore the healthier that we're going to be.
After consulting with the chef of Centerplate, we decided upon a variety of vegetables, herbs, and edible flowers. We achieved this with a combination of seeds and plant starters found at local growers like Too Tall City Farms.
Hi everyone, I'm Maggie.
And I'm Jacob.
And we are Too Tall City Farm. We grow a little of everything edible.
And it's all open pollinated heirloom stuff that's specifically cultivars for the south, so it should do well up here on the roof.
The last step is maintenance. Maintenance is key in ensuring a successful harvest. Consistent irrigation is essential and can be best achieved by an automatically timed drip system. Strategic pruning can increase crop yield and vigor. Lastly, identifying pests and disease early on and treating them organically is necessary for the longevity of the garden. With proper partnership and care, we are moving New Orleans into the future of food.